In the heart of Ohio, Mansfield is on the brink of a transformative journey. Main Street, a vital urban artery, will undergo a makeover from 1st to 5th Street, blending history with a modern touch while preserving the essence of our small town. The conversion of Main Street from one-way to two-way traffic aims to enhance downtown accessibility. Starting at 1st Street, a new northbound traffic lane will replace one of the previous 3 southbound lanes. 2nd Street becomes the southern gateway with stone pillars, widened sidewalks, and landscaping, which creates a softer, greener aesthetic. Approaching Central Park, ornamental lighting, art installations, and public art reflecting our local culture will enhance the square's inviting atmosphere. Deliberately designed green spaces are also planned and will be strategically positioned to offer downtown visitors refuge from the city hardscape. Amenities like traffic-protected seating areas, spaces for gathering, natural materials and water features, and sustainable infrastructure will ensure a resilient future for Mansfield. We are crafting inclusive areas that convey a sense of belonging for all. Central Park's north and south areas will be connected with a pedestrian-friendly urban crossing. Existing park features will remain, offering opportunities for lively public spaces rooted in the city's history. Two-way traffic on Main opens doors for future transportation options. Additional parking and additional natural features north along the corridor will elevate Mansfield's iconic Main Street into a new experience where the past meets the present. The revitalized Main Street promises a family-friendly atmosphere with modern lighting and pedestrian-friendly streetscapes. The improved Main Street will be more conducive to hosting new events like pop-up markets, art exhibits, and festivals or block parties. As transformative improvements blossom citywide, Mansfield promises a brighter, vibrant future for improved quality of life and economic development rooted in our community's rich character. I'm Mayor Jody Perry. Welcome to the new Main Street, the heart of Mansfield, the heart of Ohio.